I'm diving deep into the world of modern nutrition to see if I can uncover the truth behind all the trends and fads. Can I make sense of it all? When we talk about modern nutrition, we're really talking about the blueprint for optimal health. It's the foundation upon which we build our well-being, our energy levels, and our overall quality of life. And yet, in today's health landscape, modern nutrition has become a minefield of conflicting information, trendy diets, and clever marketing tactics. So what's really going on? I think one of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to modern nutrition is the sheer amount of misinformation out there. You've got influencers peddling quick fixes, celebrities endorsing fad diets, and so-called health experts selling snake oil. It's no wonder people are confused about what to eat and how to make healthy choices. And to make matters worse, the loudest voices often get the most attention, drowning out the sound advice from credible sources. Another major issue is the prevalence of processed and packaged foods in our diets. These foods are engineered to be highly palatable and addictive, making it tough for us to stick to whole, nutrient-dense foods. And let's be real, who doesn't love the convenience of grabbing a quick meal or snack on the go? But the consequences of relying too heavily on these foods can be devastating, from weight gain and inflammation to chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Then there's the cult-like following of various diets and nutrition philosophies. You've got your keto enthusiasts, your vegan evangelists, and your low-carb loyalists, each touting their approach as the one true way to optimal health. And while some of these diets may have their benefits, the problem is that they often oversimplify the complexities of human nutrition and ignore the incredible diversity of individual needs and preferences. So what's the real deal with modern nutrition? Well, the first thing to understand is that nutrition is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. What works for your best friend or your favorite celebrity might not work for you. Instead, we need to recognize that our dietary needs are influenced by our unique genetic profiles, our lifestyles, and our environments. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that nutrition is all about cutting out bad foods or restricting entire food groups. But the truth is, it's not about deprivation, it's about nourishment. It's about feeding your body the nutrient-dense foods it needs to thrive, while also honoring your personal preferences and cultural heritage. Another key insight is that nutrition is intimately tied to our emotional and mental well-being. When we eat foods that are rich in nutrients and fiber, we're not just fueling our bodies, we're also supporting our mental health and resilience. And by the same token, when we're stressed, anxious, or depressed, our relationship with food can become incredibly complicated. So what can you do to improve your dietary habits and take control of your health? The most impactful thing you can do is to start small, making incremental changes to your diet that you can sustain over time. It might mean swapping out processed snacks for whole fruits and veggies, or experimenting with new recipes that feature nutrient-dense ingredients. It might also mean being more mindful of your emotional relationship with food, recognizing when you are using food as a coping mechanism or a source of comfort. By developing a more compassionate and intuitive approach to eating, you can begin to break free from the dieting cycle and cultivate a healthier, more balanced relationship with food. Ultimately, the key to mastering modern nutrition is to stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay committed to your own unique journey. By cutting through the noise and the hype, you can uncover the truth behind the trends and fads and find a way of eating that nourishes your body, your mind, and your spirit. In summary, modern nutrition is a complex, multifaceted topic that requires a nuanced and individualized approach. By recognizing the challenges and misconceptions, and by embracing the complexities of human nutrition, we can take the first steps towards cultivating a healthier, more compassionate relationship with food and our bodies. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video insightful, please leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on nutrition, health, and wellness, and check out my other video on debunking nutrition myths.